This is a Star News Brief. I'm African Njoku. A storm over final scores has rocked the Judicial Service Commission amid claims their final pick for Chief Justice could offend the need for ethnic diversity and inclusivity. There are muted concerns that the nomination of Court of Appeal Judge Martha Koome could perpetuate ethnic exclusion by populating the country's key institutions with people from the same region. The JSC is tipped for a legal showdown after the Katiba Institute and legal scholar Makau Mutua moved to court to compel it to make public the score sheet of the 9 candidates for CJ interviews. Get a copy of The Star by subscribing to our e-paper for only 10 shillings by dialing *550*3#. Fireworks characterized the beginning of the debate of the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 in both houses. In the Senate, Speaker Kenneth Lusaka on Wednesday briefly adjourned the sitting convened to debate the bill following Meru Senator Mithika Linturi's arrest. Kericho Senator Aaron Cheriot brought to the attention of the Speaker the arrest of their colleague, whom he said had made a distress call to him that he had been arrested by DCI officers. And in the National Assembly, a section of MPs questioned the procedure for introducing the bill. Some who have been vocal in the opposition to the bill called for the postponement of the debate to allow them more time to read the report. Dr. Elizabeth Muli will chair the selection panel for recruiting new IEBC commissioners. Muli is a lecturer at the University of Nairobi. The invitation for applications will be published in the Kenya Gazette and 2 national newspapers with nationwide circulation on Thursday. Applications will be received within 14 days. The panel will publish the names of the shortlisted applicants by May 24th and send the names to the President on the 9th of June. Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu on Wednesday swore in the 6 members of the IEBC selection panel. Kenya has suspended passenger flights from India to Kenya for the next 14 days, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe has announced. The new directive will take effect in the next 72 hours. This follows a surge in COVID-19 cases in India. Kagwe, however, said cargo flights will continue upon adherence to the coronavirus containment measures. Those arriving in the country in the next 72 hours from India shall undertake mandatory testing. Those found positive for COVID-19 shall be isolated for 14 days at their own cost. Kagwe spoke on Wednesday at the Moi County Referral Hospital in Voi, Taita Taveta County. The National Assembly is set to begin the vetting and approval of Martha Koome as the country's next Chief Justice. President Uhuru Kenyatta on Wednesday communicated to the House Justice Koome's nomination for CJ and President of the Supreme Court. He presented the certificate of presidential nomination, the judge's CV, testimonials and recommendation of the Judicial Service Commission on the recruitment and selection process for the Chief Justice. The law provides that the President shall appoint the Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice in accordance with the JSC recommendations and subject to the approval of the National Assembly. Get a copy of The Star by subscribing to our e-paper for only 10 shillings by dialing *550*3#.